Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to our data analytics full course. Today's video we are going to learn about pie chart and donut chart. Okay, what's the difference between pie chart and donut chart? How to use the pie chart in our Power BI and how to use donut chart in our Power BI visuals. Okay, while creating the dashboard, while creating the reports, and after cleaning data. Okay, how to use the particular charts on our visual. Okay, for that first visual is our pie chart. This visual is pie chart and this visual is our donut chart. Now you can see here two difference between these two charts. Okay, first chart is what? Pie chart. Okay, and second chart is what? Donut chart. In first chart we can see that pie chart does not have the empty center. Okay, and second is what? Donut chart have the empty center. Okay, then first difference in pie chart, second difference in our first difference is what? It donut chart have the center. Okay, empty center. Okay, donut chart it has the empty center while pie chart is filled. Okay, then while using the pie chart, okay, downside we are getting the options also. Okay, in here also we can get options. Both we are getting the options, but the thing is what? In pie chart it cover all the data, whole circle is get covered in pie chart. In donut chart we can see that no, whole circle is not get covered. Okay, from center in pie chart you can observe in our visual. See, this is pie chart. Okay, now in pie chart you can see that from center it has covered all the visual, okay, data which we are loaded. Okay, now here you can you can see in our donut chart. Now it has been started with it has covered a small area part, okay, of particular table which we selected. Okay, same column we have selected in the both chart. In pie chart also you can see that same table we have imported, and you can here also in donut chart also you can see same. Okay, count will be also same. You can see here 125 count is same and data is also same, but main difference is what? About the centers. Okay, it is used. Okay, then now how do you modify this? Okay, legends is also get on. Okay, now for example two options are provided, that is visual and general. In visual, okay, particular visual setting we can change. Okay, when we click on visual, but when we click on general, inside properties, okay, data inside that particular visual is get changed. Now if I will click off, okay, inside title is get off. Okay, here you can see. Okay, now visual, now you can see in pie chart, if we want this data in the bottom center. Okay, now you downside we can see the which we have imported. Okay, that data if we want in the bottom center, we have to click on visual. Okay, options, then if we want in the center right, that also we can click. Okay, top right shaded, that also is provided. Then top right, that also is get provided. If we want in the left side, top left, that is also provided. Okay, this multiple options we can import that data. Fields name is we can change, okay, from that visual setting. Now text also you can change here. Okay, then title of that particular, apply border also you can on here. Okay, to the particular visual. See, the circle is getting border when we click on. Data label, details label is also on. Position outside. Now if I am keeping inside, okay, inside it will cover all the percentage. Okay, here numbers will be covered inside. Okay, prefer inside, it will be inside. Okay, prefer outside. Okay, then I will click outside. Okay, see, when we will click on outside, okay, the count will be or numbers will be in it will be out of the box. Okay, but if we want the specific number, okay, near to that particular visual only, then we can click here. Okay, now if we want to, okay, if we want data labels, okay, of particular data labels, then we have to click on. Okay, now here tooltip is also on. Okay, if I am keeping tooltip off, that count and name details will be not be shown. Okay, but if I will keep on data labels, count, all the details of that particular, it will be visible to me when I will click tooltip. Okay, see, dynamic changes is getting changed. Okay, okay, this is donut chart. Right side is chart is donut chart and left side is pie chart. Okay, now if we will do the formatting of our donut chart, that is, okay, from here also you can modify the size, height and width. Okay, now effects, background. Okay, and if we have to enter the code, that also we can provide here. Okay, if color code, if we are having, we can enter here. Okay, okay, this is which is donut chart. Okay, title I will change. I will give the donut chart here title. Okay, donut chart. Donut chart. Okay. Okay, if I want this in the center, okay, that I can change here. See, if the title if we want in the form in the center, that also we can provide here. See, the title I given here. See, alignment is option is also provided. That is, if I click on left side, the title will be on the left side. Then if we want center, we can click on center. If we want right side, then we can click here. Okay, that's the option there. Text color also I can change of that particular title which I provided. See, it's getting changed, right? Okay, here also, this also, okay, pie chart also I can change here. See, count of, here I will give pie chart. Okay, pie chart. Okay, color, text color, size also we can change, modify here from that. Okay, in this way we can use. Okay, and both are dynamic. Okay, all the visuals as per our wish we can change the size and all. Okay, by clicking on its side button. Okay, okay, in this way we can use both chart. Okay, pie chart and donut chart. Okay, today we have learned about the pie chart and donut chart. Okay, yesterday's videos was of our line chart, stack bar chart. This, okay, we have learned. Okay, today was it day 12. Okay, I have completed Power BI project also on my channel. Okay, if you have not studied, okay, if you have not practiced project of our Instagram reach dashboard and Google Play Store project, okay, you can watch that live project from our playlist. Okay, I have uploaded on playlist. Okay, hope if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon. Okay, and share our videos with your friends. Keep learning and keep growing. If you are having any doubts, okay, comment on our video. Okay, notes of this video I have provided on my description. Okay, hope you have understood today's video. If you are having any doubt, you can comment me. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye everyone.